Morning students. Today we are going to see active and passive voice. We already discussed more about this. Today we are going to recollect the same. Active voice. What is active voice? Active voice means the subject is doing the action. Okay. And the passive voice. Passive voice means the subject is receiving the action. You know what is subject, isn't it? So subject means he is the doer of the action and here he is receiving the action. Now, before entering into the examples, let us going to see there are 5 steps to convert active to passive voice. The first step is identify subject, verb and object. You already know about subject, verb and object. Okay, we learned this in the sentence pattern. Then the second step is you have to swap subject and object. Okay, then the third step is convert that verb, main verb to V3. V3 means the third form of verb, that is the past participle. We already know present tense, past tense and the past participants of the verb. Then the fourth thing is add. What we have to add? We have to add helping verb before main verb. This is the fourth step. Then the fifth step is add preposition by before subject. Okay. Now let us see the first one. Identify subject, verb, object. For an example, Ram writes an assignment. Here, Ram is the subject. He is the doer of the action. Writes is a action verb. Then an assignment is an object. What he does. What Ram does. Ram is writing an assignment. So, this is a subject, verb, object. This is we already did in sentence patternism. So, you have to identify subject, verb and object. The next one is, second one, pronoun swap. That is S to O, O to S. That is, here the subject pronouns and here the object pronouns. Okay, I will turn into me. We turn into us, you is us only, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it only, they become them, who become whom. Okay, here I write an assignment. This is an example. Now how we have to change this into passive voice? An assignment is written by me. Here the assignment comes here, that is the object comes here as a subject and subject I becomes a object me. Okay, then the third thing is, this is the third form of verb that we have to do, that is V3, the present verb, past verb and the past participle verb, that is the V3 form. So here I already taught you about weak verb and strong verb. That is, now we can see an examples. Paint, painter, painted. Prepare, prepared, prepared. Study, studied, studied. Knock, knocked, knocked. These are all weak verbs because the past verb, in the past verb we have to add ed. The same thing will be added here also, that is the past participle also it becomes ed only. But in the strong verb, eat becomes ate and eaten, drink becomes drank and drunk, write becomes wrote and written, begin becomes began and began. Now the fourth step is add a proper helping verb before main verb. Helping verb before main verb, that we are going to see in this chart type. The first one is tenses. Active voice, passive voice. First tense is simple present tense. How we have to write that? That verb is write or writes. Here it becomes is, am or written. That is, these are all helping verbs. So we have to add an helping verb. That is, in simple present you have to use is, am or written. Is and am for singular, are for plural. Then present continuous, that is am or writing, is writing, am writing, like that. So here it becomes is, am or being written. So what you have to add here, am, is and am for singular and are for plural, and you have to add one being here. Then the present perfect, have or has written. Here have, has been written. Okay, so have and has for singular, has comes in for he, she, it. Okay. Then the next is simple past tense, that is wrote. Here we have to write was or were written. Was for singular and were for plural. Then past continuous. Continuous means you already know verb plus ing. So was were writing. Was were being written. Okay. Then the past perfect had written, that is had been written. So in this had there is no singular or plural. Wherever it comes you have to use had only if it is singular or plural. Then simple future tense, will write, you have to write will be written. Then in future perfect, will have written, will have been written. Then the next one is modal verb. Modal verb you know already. That is 9 modal verbs are there. Can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, all this. So here shall, can, may, write. Shall, can, may be written. Okay. We won't use passive verbs for the following 4 tenses like present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, future continuous, because there are 12 tenses are there, but here we wrote only how many? We just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 we are using here. So in this there are 4. So 4 tenses we have to omit for this verb transformation. Then next is here we are going to see one example lively. Okay, simple present tense. Now you see active voice. He writes a letter. Okay, now you first, what is the first step? We have to identify SVO. He writes a letter. He is a subject, writes is a verb, letter is a object. Then the swap, second step. Okay, here what you have to do? Object, this letter, yeah, letter comes here, and he, that is a subject, comes here as him. Okay, then the third is conversion of main verb to V3, that is the past participle, that is this writes becomes return. Okay, then the next one is adding, fourth step is adding helping verb, that you have to see here a letter, so you have to use is. If it is letters you have to use are. Okay, so here you have to add is. And the last step is adding preposition, that is you have to use by here. Now the sentence will change into passive as a letter is written by him. Here a letter is subject, is written as verb, by is a preposition, him is an object. Now we are going to see another example, present continuous tense. See here, active. Javed is making a cake. Javed is subject, is making is verb, and a cake is an object. Now in passive how we change? That object goes to subject. So a cake. Okay, and Javed, subject becomes object. Javed comes as object, and is making. So is you have to retain as it is. Making, ing comes no, so you have to change that into being, and this make becomes past participle made. So what? How you have to write? A cake is being made by Javed. Then the next example, present perfect tense. Okay, active. I have eaten a banana. Okay, if it comes have, has, or had, that is a perfect tense. Okay, so here I is a subject, have eaten is a verb, a banana is a object. Now in passive how you have to change? A banana comes to as subject, I becomes a object, that is me, and this have eaten, you have to write have eaten, but you have to include one been here. For perfect you have to use been. For present continuous you have to use being. Okay, that you must remember. So and you have to use one preposition by. So what is the passive sentence here? A banana have been eaten by me. This was changed in like this. Okay, now